Here is an incredible Teams tip that relates to captions and translation. You're going to love this and practice this. It's from our Get Control of Teams class. You've got to try this class. You're going to start in a normal Teams meeting, but you're going to click on the More button. We know that with our teaching, we always say click on every three-dot button. You click on that three-dot button, and you scroll down to Language and Speech, click on Language and Speech, and then click on Turn on Live Captions. And here you can see we've got great live captions happening in English down below. But remember, we have that other team from another part of the world, and we want to make sure they understand everything that happens. So we're just going to go to the Settings button here, and then click on Spoken Language English, but we're going to change the caption language from English to, let's just say, Spanish. We've got our Spanish colleagues here from Latin America, so we're going to scroll to Spanish and click on that, and watch what happens. Instantaneously, we are starting to see a beautiful translation, not perfect, but incredibly useful and beautiful translation into Spanish. Isn't that a fantastic way to make your meetings more effective? You and your entire team should take our Get Control of Teams class right now. You can email us at info@getcontrol.net for more information.